Avionics. Avionics are the electronic systems used on aircraft, artificial satellites, and spacecraft. Avionics systems include communications, navigation, the display and management of multiple systems, and the hundreds of systems that are fitted to aircraft to perform individual functions. These can be as simple as a searchlight for a police helicopter or as complicated as the tactical system for an airborne early warning platform. The term avionics is a portmanteau of the words aviation and electronics. Read about modern avionics, aircraft avionics, communications, navigation, monitoring, aircraft flight control systems, collision avoidance systems, black boxes, weather systems, aircraft management systems, mission or tactical avionics, military communications, radar, sonar, electro-optics, ESMDAS, aircraft networks, disaster relief and air ambulance. Read all about avionics. Avionics. Avionics.